Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and then what you have to do is to switch to the more modes here and select intelligent scanning. So now let's try to scan this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as camera spots this QR code, it opens instantly a page which has been encoded into this QR code, so in my case HardReset.Info. And yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.